yun. And then, unforgettable ka siya kaya wala pa ko naigong bisag unsang bola. It was last year. So, yeah, many to mention, but most I like na ang intramurals for this year will be more organized. The events are more sorted. Likewise, the places also where the events will be held will be more sorted for the students. Benefit also that they will be enjoying it and they will be entertained as well.